What if Drummond's not okay? The witness said the kid shanked him pretty good. What if he needs to get patched up before he can run?
With all the injuries, an ER downtown won't think twice about how he got stuck.
Hey, Captain. Captain, track Drummond's route from the carjacking to where we lost him. See if any of it points to hospitals or ERs.
Looking now.
Sky 2 had Drummond heading south on Hill just before they lost visual.
Which leads him through downtown to here. If he stays on Hill, it would take him right by Kinney Memorial.
Roger that. Show us en route. Go, go, go.
I'm sorry, Captain. I know you're incredibly busy. I'm just wondering if you've heard anything.
I have, actually. Good news. I spoke with campus police personally, and they assured me they only had a few minor injuries. No one seriously hurt.
But you don't know about Stacy specifically? They haven't found her yet?
We're still working on it. Now, I apologize, but we need to assist our people in the field.
Of course. Do what you need to do.
Dr. Callan, please dial 5549. Dr. Callan.
You might have a case against that contractor if that scaffolding wasn't secured right.
Yeah, I'll talk to my union rep.
Lucky that rebar wasn't long or it would have punctured your lung.
Is that a flight medic?
They've been in and out all day. Just medevaced and a couple of construction guys just took a tumble when the quake hit.
You guys got a helipad here?
We did. Got damaged in the earthquake. We're using one on the bank building next door.
Metro SWAT, out of the way!
You, Nick? Charger said you were treating a guy with a puncture wound to his left abdomen.
Construction accident. Piece of rebar?
Where can I find him?
I finished up with him. He's over there. But he was just there. We were talking about the construction guys that just medevaced in.
Did he have a kid with him?
No, he was alone.
Okay, what was he asking exactly?
Wanted to know where they landed the helicopter.
And?
I told him we're using the helipad on the bank building next door.
Luca, go. Out of the way, excuse me.
Excuse me!
Nothing.
Don't come up here! This is 20 David. I have a fatality in the north stairwell. I need someone to patch through to the medic vac bird on the roof. Tell the pilot to take off immediately. Luca, let's move. Luca, right side! Hey! Hey! Don't you move! Don't you move! Cover me! Go! Go! Now! Hey. Hey, you're okay. You're okay. We got you. Here we go. Got it. Hey.
Okay?
You all right?
All right, you good?
Are you all right? Are you hurt? Are you hurt? Do you speak English? All right, it's all right. You're safe. Okay? Look at me. You're safe.